Welcome back to our channel. This is part 2 of summary of the book, The One Thing by Gary Keller and Jay Papasan. In chapter 6, the authors identify 5 common thieves of time or distractions that steal our time and prevent us from focusing on our one thing. These time thieves include lack of purpose, lack of priority, poor health habits, an overwhelming environment, and an inability to say no. The authors also provide strategies for combating each of these time thieves and reclaiming our time and attention. The insight here is that by eliminating or managing these distractions, we can create more space for our one thing. In chapter 7, the authors introduce the focusing question as a tool for identifying our one thing in any given situation. The focusing question is, what is the one thing I can do such that by doing it, everything else will be easier or unnecessary? By asking this question, we can narrow down our focus and determine the most impactful actions to take. The lesson here is that by consistently asking ourselves the focusing question, we can stay on track and make progress towards our goals. Next, the authors explore the importance of asking great questions to uncover meaningful insights and solutions. They highlight the power of curiosity and the role it plays in driving innovation and progress. The insight here is that by asking thoughtful and challenging questions, we can gain clarity and find the best path forward. In chapter 9, the authors emphasize the significance of living a purpose-driven life. The authors encourage readers to define their purpose and align their actions with their core values and beliefs. By living with purpose, we can find fulfillment and meaning in our pursuits. The lesson here is that success is not solely about achieving external goals, but also about living a life that aligns with our true purpose. In this last chapter, the authors conclude the book by emphasizing the importance of enjoying the journey and not solely focusing on the end result. They encourage readers to celebrate their progress and find joy in the process of pursuing their one thing. The insight here is that success is not just a destination, but a continuous journey of growth and self-discovery. From understanding the power of the one thing to debunking the common lies and distractions, and from asking great questions to living with purpose, each chapter offers practical guidance for maximizing productivity and achieving extraordinary results. By implementing these lessons and insights into our lives, we can unlock our full potential and create a meaningful and fulfilling life. That concludes our summary of The One Thing by Gary Keller and Jay Papasan. We hope you found this video insightful, and we highly recommend reading the entire book to gain an in-depth understanding of various distractions that take away our focus and time, and how asking the focus question can lead to the right purpose. If you have missed part 1, please click on the video in the end and watch the detailed review of the book. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.